for quite some time. So if there will be an orb, we need to kill one at the front of alpha or beta. Okay?
Uh,
Okay.
I forgot to tell this too.
Yeah.
If the alpha room is done and the before the gamma room open, yeah, you two can both go into the gamma room. But if the alpha is not yet completed, only one of you, so your DPS will be cut in half too.
Okay.
Yeah, because we really need someone to stay in the middle.
Oh my God. Alam, hindi
Okay,
mo na
okay.
nakap yung dep
Wala
MDep
ka pala, warrior. Hindi ko nakap yung depth. Hindi pala ako cap.
Totoo.
Oo. Pero yung MDep parang ano,
Check
hindi
mo
din
na lang
pala.
sa loob.
Wala ka pala warrior na character.
Check
Meron
dep
naman DA.
MDep 121% and 129.
107, 138 naman.
164. Ay, kap na yan. 138 ka nang pala.
On this, you can charge your hero skill.
Up ka
That is
din.
dimensional or ODG skill.
Here.
Don't use the DMJ or a DJ.
Yeah, just use normal skill to charge your hero skill.
Okay.
We kind of need to burst a little bit, so it's read 80% much faster, so we can learn the mech.
Ay be, ang tigas niya. Makakaipon talaga be. Barbarian po ba yan? Black Mara nga ito.
Barbarian. Barbarian yan.
Okay
May
na
dala
ba?
nga
May
po
hero skill
siya.
na kaya?
Yeah,
Wow.
100%.
Ayun, 100%.
See this pillar, right? See,
Yeah.
there's
Who will-
two of them
Who
in
will
here.
get
The one in here
and the one
and
in
in
here.
Yeah. Anyone can get the first though. But actually, I think it's better Sanji get it.
Sino mga
Because
kasama mo sa
everyone,
bed? Sanji, Kiwi,
because
and
everyone
Jin.
will eventually get it later.
Okay, Sanji. You will get the... wait, kinakabahan ako. Ay, winner ka doon.
Be, tingnan mo yung
I-click
chart.
mo muna.
Magkakasama tayo ate.
Ayan.
Sino maglulure pala? Si Sanji ano? Sanji ka
Oo.
maglulure.
Yeah, on beta, Sanji can lure too. Just be
Tap-
careful.
Ilan maglulure? How
Isa
many
lang.
player will do the lure? Only one?
Only one.
The other
Okay.
three focusing on hitting.
Oh,
Ang-
hit.
Ang paglulure, alam mo na ba yun, Sanji? Ang paglulure is papasok ka sa lobby, ikot, tapos sa labas na din. Doon lang sa may ano.
Hindi siya nasagot.
Carry ba?
Tao?
Okay.
Bagay?
Hindi ko alam. Ay, winner ka doon.
Basta ayun Sanji, papasok ka doon, di ba, papahabol ka. Tapos lalabas ka ng ano, yung...
May harang yung pinto nun eh.
Oo.
Okay sa may gate, oo.
May
Dapat
papatay
malure
pala
mo
kami.
lahat
Akala ko may
para
open
mabilis
kami.
makapag ano yung mga ano.
Ay, ikiklik lang yung debate.
Oo, pero medyo matagal siya, may time yun. Kaya dapat
Ayun,
hindi
ano,
ka ano ng
Kiwi.
mobs.
Kiklik lang natin. Basta sabihin ko pag nalure na ni Kemi. Pero layo muna tayo.
Saan nga
Okay,
yung
Cam, first
gamba?
jump.
Sino si Kemi? Secret din laman mo ba? Medyo masakit yun ha.
Sagot mo.
Mali mo, 80% natin to be. Eh di wala nang gama. Ganyan, Kemi.
Hindi, lalabas pa din yata yun.
Pag mabilis ang DPS.
Ay, be.
Go, go, go. 80%.
Go, go, go. DPS, DPS.
See, the arc is moved already. So prepare for alpha. Okay, alpha open. Let's go, Dave.
Tuloy lang ang DPS namin no ate.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, here.
I'll take the right.
Isa pa.
Okay,
Tatlo to,
circle. Go to the wall. Go to the wall. Go to the wall. Just stay in the wall. Just stay in the wall.
Be, masakit yan.
Okay. Circle now. Circle.
Oh, DPS
Circle.
mga.
Circle.
Do we need to
circle.
do DPS?
Ah, tapos na siya.
See if you are getting.
Ay, be!
buff. Yeah, that's
Oh,
why.
gama ka doon.
Circle.
Oh my
circle,
God.
circle. Wall.
Andito na yung heal ate, mamatay tayo
Okay,
dyan.
circle. One more.
Nagama ka doon, ate.
Nagama ako.
Gamma battery.
It's okay. Let's restart. Let's restart.
Beta zone.
Tara, let's go. Beta zone. Let's go, Kiwi. Sino
Yummy,
ba makasama
here,
dito?
DPS.
Wall first.
Yummy
wall
here.
first.
No. Yummy.
Gabi do, not here, Yami. Go to Kali.
Just here, we need
Uh,
someone here.
Inside or die all?
Jin mo, kasama ka na. Ay, patay mo. Jin mo.
Patay siya, be.
Ano, Sanji, dalhin mo dito. Ay, be.
Hindi kayang maklik na ano ko.
Hindi mo ay kiklik, be.
Hindi kay
Dalhin mo
klik-klik,
dito.
lure ka lang.
Kami mo kiklik.
Sila
Ah,
mag-click-click.
Dalhin mo dito sa may,
Okay.
sa may gate.
Wall, Dave, wall.
Ayan, be. Pasunurin mo lang.
Okay.
Labas. Huwag kang papakita, Kiwi. Sa gate, be. Labas ka sa gate.
Okay, done. Wall.
Diyan lang. Yung kita ka. Yung kita ka, Sanji. Yung kita ka, hindi lalabas eh. Yan. Tara, ano, Kiwi.
Circle.
Yung Kiwi.
Go,
Circle.
Yummy, kill one orb. You need to kill one
Yung
orb.
kanan, Sanji.
Go fast.
Wall again.
Oh my God.
Okay, circle. Nice. Okay.
Inagro ko lang pala. Okay. Tapos kayo,
Is everybody die in the middle?
Yes.
Okay. It's okay.
Ang ganda na
That's the
ano
one
namin
I'm telling you, Yummy. The orb.
Heme.
Yeah, that's
Sorry,
why
I die
I said watch out for the debuff. If you reach 50%, it slowly kill you.
Ang galing ni Kiwi dun eh. Oh. Kuhang-kuha eh. Keme.
ganun pala, i-stack lang ako dun sa may gate. Di na ako papasok. Para
Papasok ka muna, syempre, pagka ano, pang...
Pag nalaro na.
Pag
lahat.
nalaro na.
Yung cup,
Ang hirap pala nung amin.
Hindi pa
Kapag
na
na kali.
kailan ko gagamitin yung ano, yung parang pinipindot kanina.
Ano yun sa elevator?
Hmm.
O, ganun talaga, be. Matagal talaga yan.
Hirap ng
HP ang kailangan.
Hirap.
Parang harmon na tayo. Harmon na kaya tayo para ano.
Mag-cap kayo ha,
come again,
mga...
Dave. Come again, Dave. Yeah. Yeah, forgot to tell you. I usually move counterclockwise. What about you?
Sabi ko, nasan si Jino nawawala? Ay, be. Patay na pala ang person. Kinatch yung kulay pula. Jino, ano, pag nakita mo may na, ano, tawag dito, may natibok sa lupa. Ay, nasunto ka, be. Mag-block ka din.
So ako din sana one hit ako at.
Open.
The
Naman
orbs
ka ba?
really hard to kill, so I think it's best for you to
Yep.
stick together.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
just-
we
just-
need hero skill for that.
Yeah, that's why the gamma is actually the pretty hard.
Sanji, tara, pasok. Be, ba't ganun?
Ayan, let's go, let's
Actually,
go.
actually, me and Dave doing pretty good though. We already 3 per 4 for the circle.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. That's why it's a little bit careful. Yeah, that's the hardest part about the alpha is if you
Hit
never
is hit.
once try it, it's a little bit hard. So I think it's best
Hit.
that you do
I
do
mean,
and me there. Okay, charge your hero skill.
dami ko na skill dun, pe. Walang tumama.
Neither.
Mabagal ba yung sa atin? Yung sa ano, beta?
Oo, mabagay. Kasi ano eh, namatay si Jinwo eh.
Kailangan
Tsaka
pala marami.
nagtagal ka sa ano, for the aggro. Mag-block ka na lang ano, Sanji, para hindi ka
Oo.
tumaob.
Click ko na.
Ito na, second try.
Harmon na kaya tayo.
Go.
If you guys see the buff, just stop hitting it, or you can lure it just using normal attack.
Okay.
Just don't use skill that has so many hit point.
Okay. Kung maabutan yung gamma, poking ina.
Harmony na. Let's go, Harmony.
Ganun, parang di na-heal.
Pangon ko ng hero skill.
Yung mamatay na pala ako din. Ayun eh.
Ayun po.
Alpha.
Okay, let's go, Dave.
Ingat ha. Layo mo na, be. Layo. Layo.
Okay, circle,
Here.
circle. Nice. Go to wall.
Here.
Okay, circle. Nice. 2. Go to wall again. Okay.
Okay. Let's go, DPS.
Third. Nice. One more, Dave. Go to wall first.
Stop.
Wall.
Bunso ko.
Okay.
Ay, be! Bakit ako nawawan hit?
Kasi katabi ka niya, ate.
Nice.
Kita, oh.
Ate!
Okay, Alpha done. Not yet. We need to hit the boss first.
Talaga naman ako.
Nasa tabi ka, ate. Kita ko, nag-selfie ka dun eh.
Okay, beta open.
Beta open. Let's go, beta. Yami, stay
Yami,
here.
stay here.
Pero sobrang slow ko.
Go, orbs. Kill orbs. Go, Yami. You can do it. Go.
Magpaiwan na lang kaya ako dito.
Go.
Kaya na nila eh.
Oh my God.
Uy, ba't
Oh.
Ay, binadamay pa ako. Bilag din ako nagpaiwan.
No. Alpha and no.
My idol. Type.
Okay, safe.
Gusto ko panoodin si Jinwoo.
pasok?
Gusto ko panoodin yung point of view ni na Jinwoo. Jinwoo, paano
Oh.
mag-live ka? Gusto ko yung point of view niya. Ito may point of view.
Oh, what happened today?
Uh,
Suntok.
they've hitting the boss while the beta is open.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, 50 point. Yeah, 50 point.
Ako
50
doon,
point.
hindi ako
Tagal.
kasama doon. Patay ako. Wala ako doon, patay ako.
so we don't need to
It's
hit
okay.
the
Yeah, it's okay. We can skip the
Wala din
gamma.
natin
What I'm
ganyan.
afraid now is the
Oh.
orbs. If the
Tapos na?
orbs, if the orb open, we'll die.
Ay, kikil
yeah,
yung
that
ano.
one.
Yeah. See.
Or oh my
Important.
god.
Ano.
Not enough. Bye,
Even
guys.
Yami
Nice knowing
cannot
you.
do it. No.
Yeah, that's why I need high DPS. I only can half of it.
HP.
89.
Ito,
go.
kikil pa pala to.
Yeah.
Pagkatapos
If
mo... Okay.
Okay.
yeah,
So if the beta room open, we don't need to hit the boss.
yeah. You don't have you don't need to hit the boss because you'll get the buff. It's the
Oo.
electrocute that I mentioned before. If it's reach 50 point, then yeah, kind of like we can have like electrocute effect like the Inquisitor.
Okay.